There's a hickey on his neck. Who put hickey on your neck, babe?
Can be icky.
Babe, who put hickey on your neck?
Why you say icky on my neck?
On your neck, right here. You guys, you see this? Good morning, faves. Good afternoon and good night. Your girl is up early this morning and is in traffic. Okay, up early out of her precious bed. And the traffic on the road, on the GPS, it's all red. That's literally crazy. But we gotta do what we gotta do. This morning we are heading to get Tyler package. Fingers crossed. Again, fingers crossed. I'm hoping and praying this time baby's praying that there's a hickey on his neck. Who put hickey on your neck, babe?
Can be icky.
Babe, who put hickey on your neck?
Why you say icky on my neck?
On your neck, right here. You guys, you see this? You see this hickey on his neck? You looking?
It's not icky.
Baby, that's hickey on your neck. I know it's not icky. Every time he shaves, he gets these little spots. If it was hickey, I wouldn't ask you if it's hickey. Trust me, girl. I wouldn't ask. I wouldn't ask. I would just slap him upside the head. I'm just kidding.
No,
But
not.
girl, I would ask. My battery's on yellow. How dare you? Okay, you guys, we're back. Battery's back on. See, this is a thing with France why we take bus most of the time. This. Look in front of us. That is traffic, so it doesn't make no sense babe drive to work. It's best that he take the bus because he wouldn't reach work. Don't babe?
Yeah, but it's also dependent on the times that you take.
Yeah, but now that you're leaving out, this is when you normally leave for work.
No.
A little bit earlier, like
Much more
30
early.
minutes earlier.
No. An hour and a half earlier almost.
Okay.
So about that
Well,
much.
probably you would have avoided it.
Yeah.
But you guys, look at this traffic. Literally, that's bumper to bumper traffic, non-stopping traffic. And you know the funniest thing about Nice and France is that so much people take the bus, but yet so many of them drive. No wonder why in Europe the cars are so tiny. England, France, Italy, the cars are really small because you have to make space, man. So we're on our way to get Tyler package before baby head to work. So we're just gonna head to the post office and then he drop me back home and then jump on the bus to work. He'll be a little bit late for work, but that's okay. Phrase for today, we're gonna do a phrase. So the phrase for today is small up yourself. That means in English, make space. Okay, so for example, let me use it in a Jamaican patois sentence. Let me give you an example. Normally, if you are taking the public transportation in Jamaica, somebody will say to you, or the conductor will say to you, my girl, small up yourself. The reason why he's gonna tell you that is because he wants to make space beside you to put somebody beside you. Or if you're in a crowd of people and somebody say, my girl, small up yourself, or my youth, small up yourself, mean they want to pass you. So it can mean two ways. If somebody wants to make space to pass you, or they want to make space to come beside you. So today's phrase is small up yourself. You get that? Come baby, your time, say it.
Small up yourself.
Say it louder.
Small up yourself.
Yes, honey, yes. Tyler, you want to say it? Say small up yourself. Nothing? You guys, Tyler is back there chilling. I haven't shown you guys Tyler since the vlog began. So he's back there all clad in his warm clothes, chilling as we head to the post office. So hopefully you guys get today's phrase. Make sure you guys work out. My throat is getting a little bit better. It's almost there. Babe is not feeling too bad. He can look at me sideways a little bit. But he'll be better soon, I hope. So yeah, hopefully you guys stay motivated as usual, stay encouraged as usual, stay focused, do what you gotta do, have a good day, make it a good one. All right, so I'll catch you guys later. I'll catch you guys later. Said this is my love. Icky man. Icky on your neck. Icky on your neck.
Yeah, Icky on my neck.
Who put
That's
Icky
a
on your
big
neck?
machine put Icky on my neck.
You see a big machine put Icky on his neck. Alright, you guys. Somebody got their package. You excited about what's in there? Yes, that's your package. Yes. We finally got Tyler's package and the sleep is still in my eyes. My eyes look swollen. So now we're heading back home so babe can rush off to work real quick. Hello. Hello. You had a good nap. Yes, you want to get out? You want to get out? Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mwah. Whoa. Big guy. Big guy. It's lunchtime. The sunset is going down nicely and it's dinner time. It's cooking time for me. So I'm making some cooked pumpkin for Tyler. Yes, baby, mama soon be there, okay? Go, I soon come. Out of the kitchen. Good boy. I'm making some cooked pumpkin for Tyler in here. And I'm making some rice over here for babe. Let me give you guys a story about this rice. The first time I moved to France and babe was cooking for me, he was making rice and something. I don't remember what rice and what he was making, But I remember when I saw him pull the rice out in this bag and just put it in the water and cook it like that, I laughed at him so bad. I thought it was so ridiculous and so funny. Why? Because I've never seen rice cooked that way before. But man, when I see how easy it was, I said, ah, that's the trick to why you all cook rice like this. Because in Jamaica we don't cook rice like that. I've never seen rice like that. One of the first things that your parents teach you to cook is rice, because rice, we don't really have rice cooker during our time living in Jamaica. So cooking rice was one of the first things, because you have to put the right amount of water on the right amount of rice to get it nice and shelly and not to let it spoil. So I don't really cook rice like this unless I have to, in terms of if I want it to go fast or whatnot. But I like to cook my rice the Jamaican way, but sometimes I just throw it in like this just to get it going. And you guys, if somebody can tell me what this is and you're not Jamaican or not African, this have nothing to do with race or whatnot, but this is our food. I saw this in the supermarket on Saturday and I'm like, oh my god, this is the closest I can get to home. So I had to buy some and I'm just preparing them to cook right now. I'm not gonna tell you guys what this is, but comment down below if you guys recognize it. If you are Jamaican, I'm 100% sure that you'll know what it is. If you're from a Caribbean country, I'm sure you're going to know what this is, but I don't know if other countries like USA is associated with this thing right here, but this is heaven and I'm going to make this taste real good. I don't think babe has ever eaten it before, so I'm about to cook this and then I'm going to throw this chicken in the oven, and that should be dinner for today.
So this is dinner tonight. Look at that.
Guys, I am not perfect, so I'm cheating tonight. I'm not perfect, so I'm cheating tonight. I'm having a little rice because this goodness right here, I have to have rice with it. Well, in my head. And this is mine, and that's babe. So we're about to
She
go.
just put the little tomatoes to make her feel better.
I know, right? I don't want to feel too guilty.
You don't want to feel too guilty, that's why you put the little tomatoes?
Yeah, I'm going to feel guilty that I'm eating rice, so I have to put the tomatoes to make me feel like I'm actually having a little veggie. Alright, it's dinner time.
So guys, whenever you eat fries and burger, you know what you have to do? You just put a little tomatoes beside the burger, so then you feel better. That's Simply's advice.
Yes. Just a little veg and you won't feel too guilty.
Yeah.
At least you say, yeah, I didn't just cheat on my diet. But a little cheating is good, you guys. Let's go, babe. Hey fams, we have come to the end of our dance party. We just had a dance off, you guys. Epic dance off with me, Thailand babe. We were just having so much fun. And of course you don't see my little pumpkin because he's off to bed. I put him to bed a little bit later tonight because he napped late afternoon and he didn't wake up until about 5:45, so I didn't put him to bed until 8:30 tonight. I give him some more time, but he had fun, some little extra time playing with Papa with his newfound love, his basketball. I'm sure baby's excited that he got to play with him when he got home.
Yeah, we have different games, not only playing the same ones. That's cool.
Yeah. So you guys remember the word for today. What's the word for today, babe?
Smile up yourself.
Yes, honey, yes. So the Jamaican patois for today is small up yourself.
Yeah.
And remember what small up yourself means? To make space. To make space for somebody, or to move out the way and give somebody way. Okay?
Small up yourself. You're on my back. Yeah.
Did you just say that? Oh my god, he said.
Yeah, cause my back is
You
painful.
want me to slap you in it?
No, my back is painful.
I know you want me to slap you in it. Here, small up yourself. You're on my back. I didn't even remember that your back was hurting. You're mean. Just small up yourself. You're on my back. Terrible. Anyway, you guys.
I'm here chat patois with you.
Anyway, you guys, we're just gonna end the vlog here. See that Tala is off to bed. We're gonna unwind and enjoy the rest of the night. I think we're gonna watch a movie. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your first time watching, don't leave unless you subscribe. And if it's not your first time watching, thanks for always coming back. We love you guys, and we're steadily growing, and we appreciate every single one of our favorite people, every single one of our faves. We love you guys, we appreciate you guys, and we're sending you guys lots and lots of love. Okay, lots and lots of love. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in our next